I'd like to wish all the moms out there a very happy Mother's Day. I hope you enjoy your very special day.
Hi everyone, welcome back to The Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and welcome back. I am so excited to show you what I have today. What I want to show you is some Tula Pink Floral Reef goodies. I have two boxes that I want to share with you. The first box is my own personal box. It is the pink door box, and it is curated with all of the beautiful Tula Pink fabrics and notions. The second part is going to be an unboxing of the Tula Pink Floral Reef vinyl and bag charms that I was able to get my hands on, and I will be making kits for those. But you're going to definitely want to stay tuned so that you can see what I have in store for you. Let's open up this box and see what's in here. I think I opened it from the wrong end. We're probably gonna have stuff falling out all over because of that. And here we get a What's Inside Your Pink Door Floral Reef Edition. You get to see all the cool things that are in here. I love this. Every time I get this box, I get so excited. It looks like we have a pattern by So Sweetness that's been included. A set sail quilt pattern by Jaybird Quilts. These are the true colors, but these are for the Floral Reef collection by Tula, of course, and all the fabrics coordinate with her other fabrics. This is a Happy Yard bundle that I get of the fabrics. I do this in all of my pink door boxes. And I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with Tula Pink, and I just love giving myself this gift every quarter. Every time she launches a new line, I get it. You can see that these colors coordinate very, very well with each other. I don't know if you can see those up close, really, but you can see how they all blend in with each other. Love that. We have some Renaissance ribbons. Aren't those pretty? Oh, I just love it. I can't wait to make some bags and stuff with these. These are so much fun. We have some 1.5 inch webbing. Of course, we have some zippers that coordinate with the fabrics as well. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh, I love it. It's a fish. Isn't that cute? That is so stinking cute. I love that. And then we have the Floral Reef swatch. These are the swatches of the different fabrics. These are Floral Reef tags. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this octopus. Look at, isn't that beautiful? I love it. Love it, love it. Some octopus playing cards. Oh my gosh. Let's open these and see what they look like. This is too cool. It says, give yourself a little luxury with these custom playing cards designed to perfectly complement the Floral Reef Pink Door Box. This ready-to-go 54 card deck brings a splash of vibrant style to game night, perfect for gifting or adding a fun coordinated touch to your collection. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. Look at that. They have little dolphins. And oh my goodness, the little squids. Okay, this is really cute. How cute that is. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to play with these. Okay, so those are way too cute. If you are interested in getting a pink door box, I'll link to it. You have to sign up. It is a subscription. I'm just going to tell you now, it's worth it. Look at how cute. Aren't those scissors adorable? Oh my goodness. Cute. Next thing we're going to look at is haul from Checker. This is the new Tula Pink Reef What You Sew. This is vinyl. There's 5 yards in here. It is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you've seen this yet or not, but boy, am I excited to have it, because I think this stuff's gonna sell out pretty quick. But look at this. This is the vinyl. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at how gorgeous that is. So very, very pretty. I will have limited quantities of kits that will be available, and I will make an announcement when I have them ready to go. So I haven't even opened these yet. That's how new we are to this. Look at, wouldn't this be great on a project bag? Instead of having clear vinyl, you've got a decoration. You probably can't see that because of my pink mat. That's what it looks like up close. There's a fabric in this line that looks exactly like this. It's absolutely stunning. Try to put these back in their bag so that they don't get lost. This one is so stinking cute. I'm just telling you now. One of my faves, probably because, you know, it's got polka dots all over it. Pink polka dots, actually, because, you know, pink is my favorite color. Guys, look at this. So cute. Do you see how cute that is with those little fishies and my dog's hair? I got Lola hair, Jack's hair, Petey hair, all over the place. I am obsessed with these pink polka dots. Like, for real. They are so stinking cute. So stinking cute. Let's put this one back in here so that it'll mess it up. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with this whole Floral Reef line. I gotta tell you. It is one of my favorites. Of course, I say that they're all my favorites because they are. But this one is, there's something very special about it. And I'm not sure what it is. Maybe because I love the ocean so much. I don't know. I just am really, really smitten with this one for some reason. This one is beautiful too. I apologize for my arm being in the way, but okay, I have to open these things up, you know? There we go. Gonna have to just start lifting weights for that purpose to open up my packages. Look at how beautiful that is. I mean, isn't that print just absolutely gorgeous? Wouldn't this be beautiful on a project bag? I am absolutely digging these. I don't know how many more times I can tell you that. About these zipper sets. Aren't those amazing? Look at the pink. These all coordinate. These two are the same, it looks like. But this one, I love this one. I can't wait to use that on a bag. So pretty. You can get 3 yards and 9 pulls with these. They are amazing. Now we're going to get into the good stuff. Check these out. These are sinkies pulls. These are zipper pulls in pink anchor. Oh, aren't those cute? Just saying, just the cutest. Telling you, Tula Pink comes up with the cutest stuff. She's a girl after my own heart. She likes bright colors, and she's not afraid to do it. She uses pink in everything. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Check out these big purple anchor bag charms. Aren't those cute? This one is in the color purple. They're all the same. I'm just showing you the ones that I have here in case you're wondering why I'm not showing you all the ones in the box. Because they are the same thing that I'm showing you here. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's got that blue and that yellow. Very, very beautiful. My favorite. Ta-da! Look at that pretty, beautiful pink colored anchor. These are actually quite large. I'll pull it out of here just so you can kind of see how big it is. Because these are not like the regular small little bag charms that you get. These are actually big. Like really big. And last but not least, of course, ta-da! It says SS Pink. That's so cool. This would be fun to put on like a travel bag. Like if you made a bag to travel with and you wanted to put these bag charms on them. Oh my goodness. That would be like so stinking cute. Even if I say so myself. Thanks for hanging out with me and going through and opening up all my Tula Pink goodies. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I absolutely love this new line. I love everything about it. I will have information in the upcoming week about the kit that's going to drop and how to get it. That's it for me today. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Everything that you need will be linked down in that description box so that you can grab these things for yourself and keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.